The stomach of horse generally lies on the left side of the median plane. And if you can see this, the shape of the stomach is generally U-shaped, while as some books write it as J-shaped. This is the esophagus. ठीक है, ये esophagus है. The whole, this is the stomach of the horse. ये कहाँ पे होते हैं? On the left side of the median plane. This part you can see, this is the esophagus, and where the esophagus enters, that is known as cardia. So here for the description, this stomach that presents two surfaces. One is the parietal surface and another is the visceral surface. The surface which this parietal surface that is towards the diaphragm, and it is related with the diaphragm and the liver. ठीक है, while this is the visceral surface and this is related with the colon and intestines plus the pancreas. ठीक है, दो surface होते हैं, one is the parietal and another is the visceral surface, and there are two extremities. This extremity that is known as cardiac extremity, and this extremity that is known as pyloric extremity. The cardiac extremity here, it is a blind. Here it is blind. It has a, here you can see this is a blind cul-de-sac that is known as sacus caecus. This is the sacus caecus, while as this is the pyloric end. This pyloric end here it is continuous here with the duodenum. ठीक है, यहाँ से duodenum आएगा, ये pylorus है, and this is the pyloric extremity and this is the cardiac extremity, and this is known as sacus caecus. Generally in case of the horses, जैसे कि horses में they don't vomit. It is because this is the esophagus. Esophagus, this is guarded by the very strong sphincter that is known as cardiac sphincter, उसको हम बोलते हैं, and here in the pyloric part there is pyloric sphincter. This cardiac sphincter, it is very strong in case of the horses, plus the angle at which the esophagus enter, both these they prevent the vomition in case of the horses. ठीक है, so esophagus हो गया, and here this is the sacus caecus, this is the cardiac extremity, और ये हो गया pyloric extremity, and this is the body. And there are two curvatures, दो curvature होते हैं. This is the greater curvature, this is convex, and here this is the lesser curvature. ठीक है, that is concave. ठीक है, so this is the pylorus. This pylorus here you can see it is guarded by this sphincter that is known as, जिसको हम बोलते हैं, that is known as the pyloric sphincter. This pyloric sphincter जो होता है बाहर से, it is marked by constriction. See here, यहाँ से, and inside there is a ridge. अगर देखेंगे इसको, ठीक है, बाहर से आएगा, there is a constriction, and inside there is a ridge. So it is guarded by the pyloric sphincter. जो इसका anterior होता है, the anterior of the stomach, see the anterior, it has this part, it is the esophageal part. ठीक है, esophageal part or non-glandular, while as there is another part, I will show you here. This part, this part is glandular part, it is velvety. ठीक है, you can see the difference here. ये जो this is lined with stratified squamous epithelium, this is the esophageal part. यहाँ इसको हम बोलते हैं non-glandular, while as this is the glandular, it is velvety. ठीक है, and in between they are separated here by a ridge that is known as margo plicatus. This is margo plicatus, and this is the glandular part. This is lined by simple columnar epithelium. ठीक है, ये हो गया margo plicatus on the anterior of the stomach. And you can see outside there is this is the muscle, and here this is the serosal layer.